thank you. So, first card, the Cancer, we have the Chariot. So, this is travel, no? Cancer. Baka meron kayong travel na gagawin and it's by land, no? Siguro magdadrive kayo or baka magpa-public transport, magbabas or whatever, you know? So, yun. So, good luck sa iyo, no? Sa pagbabiyahing ito. This is also moving on energy. Okay? So, maaaring meron din kayong sitwasyon na panggagalingan dito na mapagtatagumpayan ninyo. Kaya handa ka ng mag-move on. Handa ka ng you are ready to tread towards a different path in your life, no? Kaya good luck sa you dyan. We also have the Knight of Wands. Ayan. So, this also signifies travel, no? Si Knight of Wands. At magmamadali ka. Cancer. Kung ano man itong travel na to, maybe it's going to require you to, to travel agad-agad or po pwedeng yung travel na to, kung ano man ang sadya mo rito sa travel na ito, po pwedeng kailangan mong maging ready ka, no? Mentally, emotionally, and physically as well. Kasi it might require you to make a decision agad-agad. It might require you to siguro ka agad, mag-decision ka agad, or it will require you to take action right away. No? Kaya kailangang handa ka for anything. Hindi ka lang pupunta doon sa kung saan ka pupunta at doon ka na lang pagdating mo, tsaka ka na lang didiskarte, tsaka ka na lang mag-iisip, yung ganon. Now, you need to be ready. Alright? So, we also have the Seven of Pentacles. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo para naghihintay. No? Baka naghihintay na kayo ng bunga ng inyong pagsisikap. Maybe you are already waiting for the fruit of your labor sa ngayon. Pero, hindi pa. Now, this is to let you know na wag ka munang magmadali. Tignan mo lang, sige, examinin mo yung ginawa mo kasi you never know, 'di ba? Kung ang ginawa mo baka hindi pa ready for harvest, hindi pa ready to give it to you because baka may kulang pa, baka may hindi pa kayo nagagawa, 'di ba? Kaya kailangan na ito ay aanuhin mo muna. Kailangan na alam mo 'yun, yung matuto ka munang magantay, matuto kang i-manage muna yung oras mo sa ngayon. Wag mo nang tutukan kumbaga, no, ng matagal na oras mo yung pag-aantay. Kasi when things are ready to happen, it will just